Shenzhen M-Triangel Technology Company, founded in 2007. Located in the core of Greater Bay Area Shenzhen, Bao'an District. We focus on building first-class automation and intelligent equipment. Our products are widely used in optoelectronics, biomedical, intelligent manufacturing and other industries. Integrating development, design, production, sales and after-sales service. Our factory covers an area of 5,000 square meters. We have a complete set of advanced automatic processing equipment, such as CNC lathes, milling machines, drilling machines. Strict and rigorous production management system. Professional and reliable production operators. Fully guarantee product quality and after-sales service. The company also has a scientific organizational structure. Highly educated management with professional technical workers. And a foreign trade sales team with rich experience. The company insists on independent innovation for a long time. The products produced involve multiple industries. Currently includes cell phone maintenance equipment, laser engraving machine, dental model resin 3D printer, dental model filter cleaning machine. We won the recognition and trust of many industry customers. We have also established strategic partnerships with many well-known companies. And through a wide range of marketing channels. The product export volume has maintained a high-speed growth trend. Products are exported to Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Switzerland and more than 20 countries and regions. Our company strives to innovate and benefit all the customers. In order to achieve the customers and create a better future, strive to create a professional, technological and international brand.